So in this tutorial I will show you that how you can create the trending Instagram reels or TikTok reels. So for this all you need is the software is CapCut. You can download it from the Play Store as well. This is the best video editor I have ever used. For this all you need is to open your Chrome browser, go to the search bar and type Rara template CapCut 2023. Open the first link. Scroll down a little. You can see here option use template in CapCut. Click on it. This is the template we are gonna use. Okay, now add the photos. Add the initial photo that you think that suits your project and the best photo. So select the initial photo, and after selecting the initial photo and select 29 more photos, you will add 30 photos for this project, for this template. Here you can edit the text as well. Okay, I will edit it. I will write. Okay, I will delete the second one. You can add more by clicking on the plus icon. So just export without watermark. So this is exporting. It says that it will automatically switch to TikTok. If you want to upload directly to the TikTok, you can upload it, and I will show you the result once the exporting is done.